Hi everyone, welcome to week 5 in digital learning. The assignment this week can be a little bit tricky, so I'm just going to do a screencast of my computer so I can walk you through the steps. So for assignment number 1 this week, you're going to do a storyline of Julia Child. So it's 1 to 16, and there's the link right here. So what you're going to do is click on it. Your computer might give you a little Adobe Flash error, but just allow for it to populate. You're going to get to this website. And yes, as soon as you click, she starts talking. So just use this little button and volume down her so you don't have to listen to her the entire time. What you want are the sample stories. So you're going to go over to sample stories, use this toolbar right here to click over to number 1. The answer to number 1 is right here, number 1, Julia and World War II. So you're going to go back to your PDF document and you're going to write that right there in number 1. You're going to click read more. You're going to read all of this information. And then you're going to go to number 2. Number 2 is falling in love with food and finding a career. So you're going to go to number 2. You're going to write falling in love and finding a career. Then you're going to read more. And you're going to read all of this information, and then you'll go to number 3, and you'll do that all the way through 1 through 16. If you're having any trouble, then please just reach out to me, and I will be happy to help you. I hope all of you are doing well, and I look forward to seeing you soon.